Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I'm going to talk about the case study analysis. So, for the question one, which is to analyze the breakdown of securities law breaches reviewed by the SC in 2022. So, the answer is, in the year of 2022, the Securities Commission of Malaysia reviewed 42% cases involving securities law violations, including disclosure failures and unlicensed activity, thus reflecting weaknesses in corporate governance and regulatory compliance in the Malaysian security market. So, to address the problem, stricter enforcement, better corporate training, and improved reporting as well as educational initiatives are needed. Technology can also help detect violations early, ensuring a stronger and more competitive financial market in Malaysia. So, next question. Evaluate the effectiveness of the Securities Commission investigative powers under the SCMA. So, the answer to this question is the Securities Commission of Malaysia enforce securities regulation using investigative powers, digital forensics, and international cooperation. In 2022, it interviewed 240 people as well as examined 26 websites and 121 digital devices to gather evidence on securities violations such as insider trading. With the advanced technology, it helps Securities Commission adapt to the digital financial market while working with countries like the Singapore to strengthen the cross-border enforcement. Challenges include encrypted data and legal differences, but investing in better technology and training will enhance Securities Commission's effectiveness and maintain market integrity.
Okay, next, we move to the question 3. For the answer, involving diverse stakeholders is vital for the Security Commission to address security law version effectively. Last year, the SC gathered 240 inputs from investors, corporate employees, and professionals whose various perspectives provide value insight into compliance labs, fraud, and the broader impact of violation on cost and market confidence. This collaborative approach improves enforcement quality, identifies systematic issues, and builds public trust. Stakeholder involvement also promote accountability by encouraging companies and individuals to report misconduct. To sustain this process, challenges like bias or reluctance to testify must be addressed through legal protection, transparency, and incentives like witness protection. This fosters a culture of accountability and strengthens enforcement in Malaysia capital market.
Start with the question 4. The question asks, examine the role of digital forensic in enhancing the SC certificate capabilities. In what way does the digitalization of the capital market affect the SC approach to gathering evidence? To answer this, the Security Commission SC use digital forensic to uphold security laws in Malaysia, expanding digital capital market. In 2022, it analyzed 121 devices and 26 online sources, uncovering hidden evidence in encrypted files, email, and log. Using tools like data analytics and machine learning, the SC detect and resolve complex cases like insider trading. However, evolving tech and cyber fraud push the SC constantly upgrade its skills and tools, collaborating global experts to ensure Malaysia capital market remain secure and transparent. Moving on to question 5. The question is, the SC made 18 requests for certificate assisted under IOSTO and MOU in 2022 discussed the important cross-border cooperation in securities certification, how it benefit the SC and the enforcement of security laws. To answer that, cross-border collaboration is crucial for Security Commission to enforce security laws into the global financial market. In 2022, the SC made 18 dividend requests to countries like Singapore, US, and Indonesia via the IOSCO MMOU, enabling access to financial data and documents beyond Malaysia jurisdiction. Challenges like differing legal system and privacy rules can delay the process. To overcome this, the SC strengthened legal agreement, joint international regulatory conference through global cooperation. The SC ensure consistent enforcement to support fair and transparent market worldwide.
For the question 6, which asks how the sanctions serve as a deterrent for future misconduct and what challenge it may raise in their enforcement. Basically, financial penalties can help discourage misconduct by raising the cost of non-compliance. Public repayments and license revocation can damage the offender's reputation, and restitution orders can help protect the investor and rebuild their trust. However, enforcement face challenges such as investigating complex cases like securities fraud and money laundering, which require significant resources and expertise. Limited funding, evolving risks from digital platforms and cryptocurrencies, and offenders exploiting legal appeals further hinder the effectiveness of the enforcement, which can weakening the immediate deterrent impact and increase the regulatory cost. Next, for the question 7, which asks what kind of pattern the type of offense that being prosecuted and how does this pattern reflect the current state of securities regulation in Malaysia? Basically, insider trading, which is 31%, was the most prosecuted, reflecting the Securities Commission focus on market fairness. Corporate misconduct, which is 22%, highlight the emphasis on transparency and accurate reporting, while money laundering, which is 17%, align with international effort to combat financial crimes. Securities fraud, 14%, targeted scheme that harm investors, and unlicensed activities, which is 11%, stress the need to regulate financial services, and market manipulation, which is 5%, address the digital age threats like spoofing. This effort from the Securities Commission show a robust regulatory framework, but also highlight the challenge in adapting to evolving market dynamics.
Question number 8. How effective this measure in promoting compliance? So the answer is the SC's civil enforcement action, including penalties and compensation, play a crucial role in regulating securities market by deterring misconduct. In 2022, RM 10.744 million in disgorgement and 5.8 million in civil penalties prevented financial gain from wrongdoing and promoted accountability. To strengthen compliance, the SC could also consider non-monetary measures like public criticism and director disqualifications, further safeguarding investor trust and market integrity. Question for the number 9. Consider areas such as investor protection, corporate governance, and role of technology. So how do we improve it? To improve Malaysia's security laws, stronger investor protection and corporate governance are essentials. The SC should impose stricter penalties for the securities law breaches, expand investor education to prevent fraud, and enhance dispute resolution to boost investor confidence. Strengthening internal control, audits, and reporting policies can curb insider trading and market manipulation. Technological tools like AI, big data analytics, and blockchain can enhance real-time market monitoring, transparency, and fraud prevention. A secure electronic reporting system would further improve compliance, making the financial market safer and more transparency.
And lastly, we will discuss about the answer for question 10. The answer: to enhance public knowledge of security laws and their penalties. Several measures can be taken. Educational institutions should introduce financial market rules at early learning stage. Government agency and finance authority can run awareness campaign through TV, radio and social media, highlighting legal framework and consequences of violation. Workshop and seminar for investors, business and financial sector employees can provide practical knowledge, while guide videos and infographic can simplify complex rules. Engaging influential financial figures and online personalities can also make the topic more relatable. Education and outreach are essential for fostering compliance, preparing individuals with regulatory knowledge, and reinforce ethical behavior in financial market. Okay, that's all from us. Okay, thank you.